Hi, I'm Hart, and if you're a homeowner in Orlando, Kissimmee, or the surrounding Central Florida area, you know how important a reliable garage door is. But unfortunately, there are scammers out there looking to take advantage of unsuspecting homeowners. That's why today we're talking about garage door scams and how you can protect yourself. Garage door problems can be stressful enough without adding the worry of being ripped off. Some common scams include inflated repair costs, where you're charged way more than the actual service is worth. Be wary of unbelievably lowball estimates, too. They often lure you in only to hit you with hidden fees and extra charges later. Another red flag is unnecessary repairs. A dishonest technician might try to convince you that you need a whole new door when a simple repair would do. And never, ever work with a company that isn't licensed and insured. This leaves you vulnerable if something goes wrong. Finally, never pay upfront without guarantees. Reputable companies stand behind their work and won't demand full payment before the job is complete and you're satisfied. So, how do you avoid these scams? It's simpler than you think. First, always check credentials. Make sure the company is licensed and insured in Florida. Don't hesitate to ask for proof. Second, read online reviews. See what other homeowners in Central Florida have experienced. Third, get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first price you hear. Comparing estimates is the best way to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Fourth, ask for references. A reputable company will be happy to provide contact information for past customers. And finally, verify the business address. Make sure they have a legitimate physical location. Don't rely on just a phone number. Protecting yourself from garage door scams is all about being informed and proactive. By following these tips, you can ensure you get the repairs you need at a fair price, without any unwanted surprises. If you have any questions or need a reliable garage door service in Central Florida, give us a call at 407-508-8964 or visit our website at www.garagedoorsoffcentralflorida.com. We're here to help.